talk about robot bird. First, I want to talk about the preparation before the speaker built a robot bird. People always dream that they can fly like a bird. Birds are very agile. They fly by flapping their wings. So their teams look at birds and try to build a model. The model had to be powerful and ultralight. It had to have excellent aerodynamics qualities. Then they decided the Herring crew would be their role model for a robot bird. So they brought a team together composed of journalists and specialists. Their task was to build an ultralight indoor flying model that could fly overhead. One issue was to build it lightweight, so no one would be hurt if it falls from the sky. One of the reasons why they do this is because the structures would be very energy effective. In addition, they would like to know more about pneumatics and air flow phenomena. Second, I want to talk about the structure of the robot bird. The speaker shows a robot without a skin, so we can see the robot bird is very big, but their weight is only 450 grams. It is all built out of carbon fiber. In the middle there is a gallery. There is a model. It also has a gallery in it. The gear makes the model circle. Within the model, there are three Hall sensors. The sensor indicate excellent where the wings are. If you turn the gears, the wings build up and down. This allows the mechanism to fly like a bird. Third, I want to talk about the robot bird. I want to talk about the challenge of the robot bird. The challenge was coordinate the movement. The model has to turn the wings as they go up and down. The wings is slipped, and this causes lift in the upper wings air. The propulsion comes from the lower wing air. The overall consumption of energy is 25 ways off at takeoff. The bird consumes 16. However, the bird consumes 16 to 18 ways in flight. Thank you.
好了，再按哪个？这个。